Hello friends, today we will solve the third problem in our tutorial series on dynamic programming problems, which is the shortest common super sequence. So the problem statement is that we have given two strings str1 and str2. We have to return the shortest string that has both str1 and str2 as subsequences. So what is a subsequence? Subsequence is of a string is a new string generated from the original string with some characters can be none deleted without changing the relative order of the remaining characters. So it means that the most important thing here is that we can remove some of the characters from the original string, but the the order of the characters should be still intact. So say for example, ACE is a subsequence of ABCDE. Because if I remove B and D here and left with ACE, then ACE is a subsequence because the order of ACE is still intact. It's still ACE. So if I have like AEC, then AEC, the order of E and C has been changed. That's why AEC is not a subsequence of ABCDE. Now let's go through the example here. For example, say str1 is equal to ABAC and str2 is CAB. The output or the shortest common supersequence would be given as CABAC. So let's see that how it works. So if we see here str1 ABAC. So if we see that ABAC here, we see that in the output, it is already a subsequence of this output. We can see ABAC is here. Similarly, for CAB, we see the first three characters are here. And also, like we can have like multiple outputs, but we have to find the shortest of that. So this is the shortest super sequence possible because both str1 and str2 are present in the output, and it is only like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters. So let's go through some other examples. So say we have got another example, say str1 is geek and str2 is EKE. So the output is given as GEKE because geek is present here, this part, and similarly EKE is present here. So both str1 and str2 are subsequence of the output, and this is the shortest common supersequence possible. Using both str1 and str2. Now let's look into another bigger example, a little bit complex than the previous two. So here is AGGTAB and GXTXAYB. And the output is AGXGTXAYB, which is the shortest common supersequence possible. There can be multiple outputs, but we have to find, as mentioned, that we have to find the shortest of them. So let's see AGGTAB, right? AGGTAB is a subsequence of this output. If we remove X here, let me make a bigger one. So if I remove X here and AGGT, I remove X here and I remove Y here. So we have got AGGTAB, which is the str1. Similarly, for GXTXAYB, we can see that if I remove A here, GX, and I remove G here again, GXTXAYB. By removing A and G, these two characters, we found that str2 is also a subsequence of this output. So this is what the problem statement is, that given we have got two str1 and str2, we have to find the shortest common supersequence problem. So in the next video, we will see that how we can approach this problem using the dynamic programming bottom up. So stay tuned.